Welcome to my comprehensive review of Cash App Taxes, a free tax filing service designed to make tax season stress-free and straightforward. If you've been looking for a reliable and easy-to-use platform for filing your taxes, you might have come across Cash App Taxes. Today, I'll guide you step by step through its features, functionality, and my personal experience using the service. Let's begin with the basics. Cash App Taxes is part of the Cash App ecosystem, offering free federal and state tax filing. What sets it apart from competitors is its zero-cost service, even for complex tax situations like itemized deductions or self-employment income. I'll start by walking you through the registration process and the interface. After opening the website, the first thing you'll notice is the clean and intuitive layout. You're greeted with clear instructions, and the steps are straightforward. Signing up is as simple as linking your Cash App account or creating a new one if you're not already a user. The platform ensures security by using multi-factor authentication to protect your sensitive data. Once logged in, you can begin entering your tax information. Cash App Taxes simplifies this by providing guided prompts for every section, from income to deductions. You can easily upload your W-2 by taking a picture or manually input your income details. The software supports various forms, including 1099s for freelancers and small business owners. One of the standout features is the deduction finder. Cash App Taxes scans your financial inputs and suggests deductions you might qualify for, maximizing your refund. Additionally, the platform includes error-checking tools to ensure accuracy before submission. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so make sure to check them out after watching the video. Another key benefit is that the filing process is seamless for both federal and state returns. You can track your progress in real time, and once everything is complete, the system provides a detailed summary of your refund or balance due. Submitting your taxes is just one click away, with e-filing as the default option for faster processing. Compared to other tax filing software, I found Cash App Taxes to be surprisingly robust for a free service. While it might lack some advanced tools for very intricate tax situations, it's a fantastic option for individuals and small business owners looking to save money. The customer support is also worth mentioning. While there's no live chat or phone support, the platform offers a detailed FAQ section and email support for resolving issues. For a free service, this is more than sufficient for most users. In conclusion, Cash App Taxes provides an excellent solution for filing taxes at no cost. Its user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and $0 pricing make it a top choice for budget-conscious filers. If you're ready to give it a try, head over to their site and see how it works for yourself. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.